this is the car I'm going to be putting my new build in. I have upgraded Halo's custom install, fogs and headlights. Now I'll show what the current system is like now. Aftermarket black taillights. Alright, this is what the system is like right now. We got 3 CVT 12 kickers. Kicker CVT 12s. I think they're like 600 watts RMS at the most. Run on 2 1000 watt amps. This one's a Crunch 1000. And this one's let's see, I think it's a Wolf. I don't know how to pronounce that. And then here's the model number if you want it, but it's just a decent 1000 watt amp. Then we got another sub here, another 12. A T3 Audio T1000. I do like this one though. This is a very decent sub. Haven't had any problems with it. But yeah, this is the current system so far. And I'm going to completely redo it. Wires and everything. Amps. And that's what it's like now. And follow me to see the progress. Okay, the first part of my build was getting an amp. And this just came in today. I kind of already opened it and looked at it, but yeah. It's an Audiopipe 3000d, which supposedly pushes 3000 watts RMS. I highly doubt that this does for the price, but it's a decent amp for a good budget build if you want to do SPL. Here's some manual instructions on the specs. Here's the 3000D. And here is another sight of it. Comes with a bass knob and a 200 amp fuse. This thing here is pretty massive. It's about my whole arm's length long. Takes 0 gauge power and ground wire. I like that. And says it's 2 ohm only, but the specs do say you can wire it to 1 ohm. Also, remote wires. You got your protect mode, power, gains, bass boost, frequency, response, inputs, and the thing for your bass knob. This amp is pretty heavy as well. The package says about 21 pounds shipped. Here are the guts of it, some of it, if you can see it, and get up close. See if you can see some of that. It has 4 gauge wire running inside of it. But yeah, this is the first part of the build, getting the amp.